How to play Tantrix Solitaire. If you have the game Tantrix, you need to get rid of all the tile with the blue line. We don't want that. It's on the side. We keep only the tile with the yellow, red and green color. We should have 14 tile. Okay, we just mixed the tile, put a stack. We take the first 2 tiles and we try to put them together. Red and red can work, or I can make yellow and yellow, or I can make green and green. That's work. Just say we're going to start with green and green. The goal is simple. You can make a line or a loop. If you make a loop, I'm going to try maybe a yellow loop. In that case, I have 2 points by tile making the loop. If it's a line, it's only 1 point. Okay, here it's good. I take another tile. Let's see. Okay, that tile can go here. That will work. Next tile, here I have a gobble. Donc, when I pick up a tile, the next tile needs to go here if it's possible. Okay, let's see. In this case, yes. I can place my tile, donc I have to do it. Next, let's see. I can place a yellow like that. Next. Okay, I have green, work. Here I have another gobble, donc the next tile needs to go there. But this tile, like you can see, cannot go. Donc I need to find another way. Can go here. That will be working. Take another tile. Est-ce que the tile go here? Let's see. Yes. Since the tile go, you should place the tile here. In case you have 2 gobbles here, one here and one here, you can choose which gobble you want to place the piece. If the piece go here, it's okay. If the piece go here, it's okay. No, in this case, I have a problem here. I don't have a tile with 2 times the same color. We call that a restraint. Donc, in this case, les restraints are allowed in Tantrix Solitaire, but not in the regular Tantrix. This, it's okay. Okay, let's see. I can place in the gobble. No. Let's see here. I'm going to place here. I'm going to try to make a yellow loop. Okay. Next, can I place tile here? No. Okay. But I can go here. That work. Next tile. This can go in this gobble. That work. And this, let's see. No. This is not working because it's green and here I have red. So this is going to go there. Okay. Next tile. I have yellow. I can see, not good, donc I have to place somewhere else. Let's see. Here, that does not go. This go here. Okay. And finally, the last tile. Let's see, I can go here. Donc now I'm going to count my point. Since I make a yellow loop, I'll count les tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 multiplied by 2, I make 24 points. And the maximum you can make is 28. 24 points is not too bad. That's the case for a loop. If you make a line, it's only 1 point by tile. Always try to do a loop if it's possible, and you can make a maximum of points. If you have any questions about Tantrix Solitaire, let me know in the comment. And if not, you can check the video on the screen. Another Tantrix game.